Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook unable to log in and unexpected error occurred. Please try login again. If you're using Facebook and you're trying to log in with your Facebook account, but you're facing the issue that you could not be able or you'll not be able to use your Facebook account, if you find a login error that an unexpected error occurred. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing you have to try to refresh your network. Is not scroll down and you have to check that you have a strong network connection. Go for settings, go for general, and go for VPN device management. And you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here and we have to go for the software update and try to make a software update. If you find any pending software update here, try to update your software. Then go back, open your app store, go for search and then search for Facebook. You have to make sure that you haven't any update for your Facebook app like that. If you find, try to update your Facebook app, then go back from here. And now you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open settings, go for the general section and go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can just try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If it's still not fixed, so go back. This is the only way to fix that. To go for iPhone storage, look for Facebook app here, and try to offload your app, or also try to delete the app. So after offloading or deleting, you just have to reinstall app, and after installation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Facebook app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you will not get the issue. Or in some cases, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to open your browser, search for Facebook, and you have to simply log into your Facebook account using your website or your browser. Once you are logged in with your browser, you will not get the issue again. You after login with your browser, you will be easily able to log in on your app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.